So in Protista group, right? Protista group or kingdom? Kingdom. In kingdom Protista, 5 different groups are there. Quickly. First group, second group, protozoans. Which are the primitive relative of animals? Protozoans. And according to the locomotor structures, here that's the 4 different groups are there. Further subgroups are there. First, amoeboid, flagellated, ciliated, and sporozoa. Amoeboid itself suggests pseudopodia. Flagellated, flagella is a locomotor structure. Ciliated, cilia, and sporozoan in that no locomotory structure. Fourth हमारा बाकी था, right? Sporozoan in that no locomotory structure. It's a non-motile structure present, right? And sporozoan, basically it's one of the stage. Basically it's one of the stage of the life cycle of organism Plasmodium. Which organism? Plasmodium. Plasmodium causes malaria. Plasmodium causes what? Malaria, right? But ये correct लिखा है Plasmodium causes malaria or mosquito? Mosquito is a what? Vector. First, female Anopheles mosquito. सारे mosquitoes नहीं. Which mosquitoes? Female Anopheles mosquitoes. Male भी नहीं. Only which one? Female Anopheles mosquitoes. When that mosquitoes carry this plasmodium in their saliva, उसके पास भी salivary glands होते हैं, right? So in their saliva, when carry this plasmodium, and as and when that mosquito bite, suck the blood, bite कर रहे, right? Have you ever feel that mosquito bite कर देना, उसके बाद पता चलता है यहाँ पे बैठे, yes or no, है ना? So जब वो saliva bite करता है ना, तब उसका saliva भी secrete होता है, right? Bite करता है तब क्या secrete होता है? Saliva, right? And then it sucks the blood, right? So when it bites, release saliva during that time, and saliva से क्या हो जाता है? Plasmodium enter into our blood. Plasmodium enter into our blood, and feel that plasmodium swim for 30 minutes in our body and then finally reach to the liver. Finally reach to the liver. Approximate 30 minutes ऐसा बोलते हैं that it swim in blood, right? Remain in a blood and then reach to first target site, that is the liver. Okay? Because liver में abundant उसको nutrients मिलता है, glycogen, right? फिर वो liver cells को damage करेगा. Next, again come back to the blood. फिर blood cells को damage करेगा. हमारा जो hemoglobin है, that hemoglobin gets rupture. You know malaria का symptom? Fever, but which one? Fever with what? Shivering. Fever with what? Shivering. आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओ और कंप्लेन लेके जाओगे कि फीवर है विथ शिवरिंग, राइट? डॉक्टर इमीडिएटली बोलेंगे फर्स्ट टेस्ट क्या करवाना है? मलेरिया, राइट? ब्लड टेस्ट में भी मलेरिया का, राइट? So plasmodium, remember organism, right? That plasmodium detailed life cycle we will learn in the 12th standard human health and diseases chapter. Right now understand this much only, that female Anopheles mosquito, because plasmodium के पास तो कोई locomotory structure है नहीं कि हमारे अंदर आएगा, isn't it? So first female Anopheles mosquito carry this into their saliva, right? Next, that saliva, when that female Anopheles mosquito bite to the healthy person, in that that female Anopheles mosquito saliva has what? This pathogen, that is the plasmodium. Plasmodium enter into that healthy person, then further life cycle of plasmodium occurs in human. प्लाज्मोडियम पैरासाइटिक फॉर्म है एक्चुअली. प्लाज्मोडियम क्या है? पैरासाइटिक फॉर्म. Plasmodium half life cycle it completes in human, half life cycle complete in this mosquito, right? Plasmodium, they need 2 hosts to complete the life cycle. Half life cycle in human host and half in a female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito, right? This is the life cycle, half in 2 hosts. कैसे? Wait for the 12th standard, right? In that, so one of the stage is there that form in our system that in blood, that stage we call the which one? Spore. That stage we call spore. So that spores are which one? Infectious. That spores are which one? Infectious spores are there. So this organism have an infectious spores like stage in the life cycle. Example, Plasmodium, malarial parasite. So malarial parasite when see जब liver में enter होगा, next liver to the blood, every time they change their shape, right? First in a spindle shape, then in a round shape. जब वो infectious stage में आता है ना, तब spindle बन जाता है. फिर जब spreading करना है just, right? तब वापस से कैसा हो जाता है? That's a circular or the round shape. And in our body, single plasmodium when enter converts to many. It performs multiple fusion. क्या form करता है? Multiple fusion in our system, right? In our system, it performs multiple fusion. Clear? And by that way, plasmodium number increase. जितना ज़्यादा increase होगा, इतना RBC हमारा rupture होगा, इतना hemoglobin disturb होगा. Hemoglobin से दो कंपाउंड फॉर्म हो जाते हैं, हीम एंड ग्लोबिन, राइट? हीम को वो टॉक्सिक में कन्वर्ट कर देता है हीमोजोइन कंपाउंड. विच वन? हीमोजोइन. और जितना ज्यादा फिर हीमोजोइन बढ़ेगा ना, उतना हमें शिवरिंग होगा. उतना क्या होता है? शिवरिंग, राइट? और जो ग्लोबिन बचा ना, ग्लोबिन इज अ प्रोटीन पार्ट. ग्लोबिन इज अ विच वन? प्रोटीन. दैट यूज्ड बाय दिस ऑर्गेनिज्म. This organism as a food, right? समझ में आ रहा है? So one plasmodium is an example of sporozoan. Plasmodium, remember, one of the stage is there during their life cycle, and that stage we call which one? Infectious spore. This much you have to prepare for sporozoan malarial parasite plasmodium. Well, stop. Now the next kingdom, that is fungi. Continuation में किया है न्यू? नहीं, stop कर दो.